Today we're going to make a delicious seafood ceviche. I hope you're ready, so let's begin. Let's go. Let's start by cutting some delicious shrimp. In my case, I bought them already cleaned. I recommend buying them clean to save time. I recommend cutting it into medium-sized pieces so that our ceviche turns out better. Now we're going to cut some lemons. I recommend cutting them this way to get the most juice possible. Cutting them like this separates the core, allowing you to squeeze out more juice. Let's start creating our ceviche and begin incorporating all the ingredients. We'll start by adding our shrimp to the preparation. Now we're going to add some delicious scallops. Make sure they're fresh and don't have a bad smell. Now we'll add black pepper. I like to add quite a bit so it has a spicy kick. Add the amount you want. We're going to add salt, added according to your taste. Now we add the freshly squeezed lemon juice. I highly recommend that it completely covers our seafood. Mix to incorporate the lemon very well. Make sure the lemon completely cures our mixture. It looks pretty perfect. I'm going to add a little more salt. Let's chop an onion. I prefer a red onion. I think it adds much more flavor. You can add any type of onion. Add whichever one you like best. Make sure it is chopped into small pieces. Let's take some tomatoes and chop them into squares. We're going to boil water and add salt and pepper. Put it on medium heat to cook our octopus. We'll add the octopus so it can start cooking. Remove the octopus, making sure it doesn't overcook. It should remain soft for no more than 5 minutes. Let's take some zucchini and peel them. We're going to cut it into thin strips and then chop it into small squares. Make sure to chop it into very small squares. Let's take some cilantro and chop it up. Make sure to chop it into very small pieces. We're going to cut our octopus into small pieces. I like to cut it along the tentacles so we can leave the tentacles whole in our ceviche. Let's start mixing our previously chopped vegetables. We start with the zucchini. We're going to add the previously chopped tomatoes. We're going to add the finely chopped onion. Finally, we'll add our cilantro. Our ceviche is already starting to take shape. Let's add our delicious octopus. We're going to add our shrimp and scallops, which have been previously marinated in lemon. Let's mix everything together. Make sure everything is mixed very well. Mix well so that all the juice from our lemon is incorporated. We add Maggi seasoning or a dark seafood sauce of your choice. Mix again to incorporate the sauce into the mixture. Our ceviche has already reached the perfect color. It should be perfectly mixed like this. We can now start serving our ceviche. Today, I plan to serve it with some crispy Mexican tostadas. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please share, like, and follow me. It would help me grow the channel and continue uploading delicious recipes. I hope you enjoy it. Leave me your comments so I know what I could improve.